everyone, and welcome to this lesson on the past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is a verb tense that is used to describe an action that happened before another action in the past. It is formed by using the helping verb had and the past participle of the main verb. In this lesson, we will learn more about the past perfect tense. We will discuss how to form it, how to use it, and some of the common mistakes to avoid. So let's get started. What is the past perfect tense? The past perfect tense is a verb tense that is used to talk about an action that happened before another action in the past. It is formed by using the past tense of the verb have, had, plus the past participle of the main verb. For example, I had finished my homework before I went to bed. The action of finishing my homework happened before the action of going to bed. She had already eaten when I arrived. The action of eating happened before the action of arriving. We had been waiting for you for an hour when you finally showed up. The action of waiting happened before the action of showing up. The past perfect tense can also be used to talk about an action that happened repeatedly in the past before another action. For example, I had tried to quit smoking many times before I finally succeeded. The action of trying to quit smoking happened repeatedly in the past before the action of finally succeeding. She had been to the doctor several times before she was finally diagnosed with cancer. The action of going to the doctor happened repeatedly in the past before the action of being diagnosed with cancer. We had been trying to get pregnant for a year before we finally succeeded. The action of trying to get pregnant happened repeatedly in the past before the action of finally succeeding. The past perfect tense can also be used to talk about an action that was interrupted by another action. For example, I had almost finished my homework when the power went out. The action of finishing my homework was interrupted by the action of the power going out. She had just started to eat when she realized she was full. The action of eating was interrupted by the action of realizing she was full. We had almost reached the top of the mountain when we ran out of water. The action of reaching the top of the mountain was interrupted by the action of running out of water. The past perfect tense can be a bit tricky to use, but it is a useful tense to know. By understanding how to use it, you can make your writing more clear and concise. Here are some additional things to keep in mind about the past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is not always necessary. Sometimes, the simple past tense can be used to convey the same meaning. However, the past perfect tense is often used to show the sequence of events or to emphasize that one action happened before another. The past perfect tense is often used with the word before to show the sequence of events. For example, I had finished my homework before I went to bed. She had already eaten before I arrived. We had been waiting for you for an hour before you finally showed up. The past perfect tense can also be used with the word when to show the sequence of events. However, the word when can also be used with the simple past tense. For example, I had finished my homework when I went to bed. This sentence uses the past perfect tense to show that the action of finishing my homework happened before the action of going to bed. I finished my homework when I went to bed. This sentence uses the simple past tense to show that the two actions happened at the same time. I hope this explanation is more detailed and avoids repetition. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you for watching this English lesson. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment below. To continue your English learning journey, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. You can also like and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you again for watching.